back to our channel, Kamsi Space. In Kamsi Space, we make videos on food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle from Lagos, Nigeria. If this is the first time in our channel, you're highly welcome. And thank you so much for stopping by to watch our video. And to my 20 subscribers, thank you so much. So today, I and my mom and my little sister, we will be making chicken burger patty.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. You know what we do in Kamsi Space? Mom and daughters cooking in the kitchen, and the essence of doing this is to show people that you can actually have fun in cooking in the kitchen, no matter the age. Because Zara, the little girl, does wonders in the kitchen. So today we want to make chicken burger patty. So join us. Please watch to the end of this video. Stay tuned and let's go on. Yeah guys, first we have to wash your hands. I've already done that. Wash your hands, wash your there you go. Again. Okay, we are doing it together today. So guys, we are starting. So you can use breadcrumbs or you can use leftover bread. And this is leftover bread. So I'm going to cut it and taste it. Our viewers will see what we're doing. So now I'm going to soak this bread with a glass of milk. Okay, so I will soak it with a glass of milk. So set it aside. So we are using chicken breast to do this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it, okay, together with the bread, the soaked bread. You can use the breadcrumbs or you use this. Yes, because I'm going to use breadcrumbs when we are going to fry it. So I decided to use this bread. Okay. Yeah, the next time if we don't have bread, leftover bread, can use breadcrumbs. Yeah. So we are going to use our blender, guys. I just got this blender. They say it does wonders. It does yam powder, food shopper, chemical. Yeah. So it does a lot. Okay. So we're going to use it. I just got it. The girls mistakenly allowed blender to up from the table. So that's the price you pay when you allow your kids in the kitchen. But it's good anyway. Yeah, it's good to catch them young, you know. So we're going to convert this. I hope it will give us it will do what they said. Keep the cut from the other side. There we go. Where is the case? Now I told you whenever you're bringing it, bring it with the case. This is the cotton blade. And this is the cotton blade. This is the jug. This is the cover. And this is the motto. Yeah, this is what is blended. with it. I think you attach the blade. So it's the blade that, right? Okay, guys, we have fixed it. Now we're going to mix. Before I put the chicken, grated ginger, chili pepper, onion, one egg,
that is melting.
salt to taste. Can put seasoning, though it's optional. Small vegetable oil, then the soaked bread, now we are going to
mix it.
blend it. It's well blended. I'm going to pour it in another bowl. The only one that will use this blender. Mold it. Can you put your hand in the oil? See what I'm doing, Kamsi? Yeah. Zara, you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
So we are going to mold. Mold it round. Like a ball. Then press it. That's why it's good to wash your hands. Zara, can you listen?
Yeah.
That's why it's good to wash your hands before you start cooking anything, okay? You see, you're using your hand to throw it. So if your hand is clean, there will be no germs that will enter in the food. Okay, now that you are done, you dip it inside the flour. Then put it inside the egg. Also put it inside the breadcrumbs.
Are you using it?
And drop it for frying. You can mold into different shapes. Okay?
Yeah.
You can mold it like this, just small if you want. You can make it big if you want. Okay?
I like mine big.
Okay.
Me too.
Avoid sticking in your hands. Always put your hands in the vegetable oil. That's good. So guys, the next thing you're going to do is to fry them. So now we are going to fry it with the vegetable oil. Now, fry it. I have to add the cheese. Okay, now I'm going to this is mayonnaise. Can add small lemon juice. And mix it very well. Okay guys, now I'm going to bless it. I'm also using ketchup. Yeah, I've already cut the burger buns. Which one? They're good to go. Zara and Kamsi, particularly Kamsi. Kamsi cooks. She doesn't eat unless I will shout. But when it comes to burger, she is the burger killer. She is the burger killer. She refused to get some flesh. Isn't it? I don't know why you're not getting some flesh, though. But I was not like this. Like this. You know?
Push me to this thing. But it's still yummy.
Hey guys, the burger is ready. Good to go. Yeah, my girls are in today. They have gotten how to make burger. And I believe, guys, hello, are you guys going to make it by yourself next time?
Yeah.
Vera? Are you going to make it next time? Are you sure? This way you jump out, you come in. Did you actually learn something today? Did you? It was only Kamsi that was in the kitchen, learning step by step on how to do this burger practice. Did you learn something? That's my girl. Hey, that's my girl. Hey guys, you know the step on how to make this burger patty, chicken burger patty at home. Very, very easy. You want to enjoy your burger at all times. Here is it. I know you like our video. Did you watch the end? If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. Remember to leave the bell icon on so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. And to our returning subscribers, we really appreciate you. Thank you for your support, supporting the girls that are doing wonders in the kitchen. Yeah guys, see you in our next video. Bye.